Hi everyone, it's Femelani here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money with spot trading on the Bitget app. Now, in case you don't know what spot trading is all about, or maybe you don't know how to do spot trading on Bitget, or maybe you don't even know how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies through spot trading, or maybe you don't even know how to make money with spot trading, then this video is for you. In this video, you'll be learning all of these things I've just mentioned. And in case you don't have a Bitget account, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Bitget. Now, once you've done that, please make sure you like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can help us grow on this channel. Thank you. Now to how you can start doing spot trading on the Bitget app. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your asset page and ensure that you have money in your spot wallet. Now, to do that, you come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on assets where the arrow is pointing to. And right here is your spot wallet. Now, to see how much you have in your spot wallet, let me open this. So I'll click right here. And you can see I have about $64 in my spot wallet. And then out of that $64, $44 is the amount of USDT I have in my wallet. So that means I have $44 to do spot trading on the app. So in case you don't have money in your spot wallet, make sure you deposit money, or maybe if you have money from another crypto app, you can transfer from that crypto app to your Bitget account. And in case maybe the money you have in your Bitget account is in maybe your futures wallet or maybe your OTC wallet, then you need to transfer it from any of those wallets to your spot wallet. So once you've done all of these things and you've confirmed that you have money in your spot wallet, then you can now go ahead and do spot trading. Now, to do spot trading, you will need to go to your spot trading page. And to go to the spot trading page, you come here to the bottom side of the screen and click on trade. And then right here on the screen is the spot trading page on Bitget. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to use all of these things you are seeing on your screen right here, what exactly is spot trading? Now, spot trading is a type of trading where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies immediately or instantly or even at the spot. That's why it's called spot trading. So you are buying or selling at the spot. That's why it's called spot trading. So I'll show you how to do spot trading right now, how to select the coin you want to trade, how to use other types. I'll show you what other books are. I'll show you how you can check whether you made profit or loss. I'll be showing you all of these things right now. Now, let's start with picking the crypto you want to trade. Now, if you want to pick the crypto you want to trade on the spot trading page, you come here to where you have this BTC USDT where the arrow is pointing to. You click on it. And right here on the screen is where you can see all the different cryptocurrencies that you can trade with USDT on the Bitget spot trading page. So let's assume that on this page right here, let's say I want to trade Solana, like this Solana right here. I'll just click on Solana right there. Or let's say, for example, you want to trade XRP, you click on XRP right here. So any coin you want to trade, you can pick it right here. So again, I'll pick Solana USDT. Let's say that's the coin I want to trade. Now, once you've selected the coin you want to trade, to know the current price of that coin, you will see it right here where the arrow is pointing to you. So you can see right here, the current price of Solana is $146. That's the current price. That's the current price as at the time of making this video. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and buy Solana. Now, the first thing you want to do is select buy right here. If it's that you're selling, that's when you select this sell. But since you are buying, you select buy right here. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to select your order type. Now, where you can select your order type is where you have this market. So you can see where you have this market, just click on it. And at the bottom side of the screen, it will show you the different order types that you have. Now, we have various order types right here, but I will be explaining only limit order type and market order type. And for limit order type means you want to buy a particular cryptocurrency, or maybe you want to sell a particular cryptocurrency at your own preferred price. So you can see right here, the current price of Solana is $146. But let's say, for example, I don't want to buy right now. Maybe I want to wait for the coin to come down a little bit. Maybe I want it to come down to, let's say, $143 before I buy. Then I use limit order. That means I want to buy at my own preferred price. But let's say, for example, I want to buy right now, I want to buy instantly. That's when you use market order type. So if I use market order type, that means I'm buying at the current price of Solana. That's the meaning. I hope you get it. So that's the difference. And in case you want to learn more about limit and market order types, I have a full guide on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. So for this video, I'll be starting with limit order type. I will show you how to buy with it, and then I'll come back and use market order type. So I'll come here and select limit right here. Now, the next thing is to enter the price at which you want to buy. Don't forget, I said limit order type allows you to buy at your own preferred price. So I'll come here to where you have buy price. So I will edit this and put my own preferred price. So like I said, let's say I want to wait for it to come down to $143. I'll just put 143 right there. So that means I'm buying at $143. Now, once you've done that, the next thing is to enter the quantity of Solana you want to buy, or you enter the amount of USDT you want to spend. So if you enter one of these two details, it will automatically enter the second one for you. I hope you get it. So I'll just enter the amount of USDT I want to spend. So if I want to spend, let's say 40 USDT, I'll come right here and then I'll put 40. So that means I'm spending 40 USDT for this trade. And you can see the quantity of Solana you are buying at this price is 0.2797. That's the amount of Solana you'll be getting. So once you've seen that, the next thing is to enter your take profit and your stop loss. So you can see you have take profit /SL right here. Just click on it. And this is where you'll be able to set your take profit and your stop loss. So if you see where you have this take profit, if I select it right here, you can put your take profit price. And if you come here to where you have stop loss, you can enter your stop loss price. But let's say, for example, you don't want to enter it in price, you want to enter it in percentage. Just come right here to where you have this percentage space. So just enter your percentage right here. So let's say I want to make, let's say 20% profit. I'll put 20% right there. And let's say for stop loss, I want to put 10%. So you can see it, you automatically enter your take profit price and your stop loss price. So that means that my take profit price is $171.6 and my stop loss price is $128.7. So you've seen it right there. So once you've entered all of these details, just click on buy Solana right here. And then on the screen, it will show you the summary of everything you've entered. So confirm all the details right here so that you make sure that everything is correct. And once you've seen that, you click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. So you can see it on the screen. This is the trade we are currently taking. It is under orders right here. Now, when a trade is under open order right here, or maybe it's under orders right here, it means the trade has not gone through. That means the trade has not been executed. And the reason is because it has not gotten to the price at which we want to enter the trade. Don't forget, I set it to $143. That's the price at which you want to enter the trade. And right now, the price of one Solana is $146. So we've not entered the trade. So it is until when Solana goes down to $143 that we will now enter this trade. I hope you get it. So this is what it means to use limit order when you are doing spot trading. I hope you get it. Now let me go ahead and show you how to use market order type. Now before I do that, let me cancel this trade. So let's say, for example, you want to cancel this trade that is going on right now. Let's say you're not interested in the trade, you don't want to wait any longer. Just click on cancel right here where the arrow is pointing to. And you can see it's cancelled immediately. So let me go ahead and use market order type. So to use market order type, select this limit right here. And you can see where the arrow is pointing to where you have market, just select it. And then you can see right here for this one, there's no space for you to enter the price at which you want to enter the trade. Instead, what you have there is fill at market price. That means that you are entering the trade at the current market price. I hope you get it. So the only thing you'll be entering right here is the amount of USDT you want to spend for this trade. And to do that, you enter it right here. So let's say I want to spend $40 again. I'll put $40 right there. And then my take profit and stop loss, let's set it also. So for take profit, I'll put the same thing, 20%. And for stop loss, I'll put 10%. So once you're okay with that, just click on buy Solana. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, the trader has gone through immediately. And for you to be sure that the trader has gone through, you go to your assets page. So I'll come to my assets page right here. And then you can see where you have Solana. So you can see we have Solana in our spot wallet already. When you're using limit order type, you won't see Solana in your wallet because the trade has not gone through. The trade has not been executed. But since we are using market order type and we have entered the trade immediately, then we will have the Solana in our wallet. So you can see I have $40 worth of Solana in my wallet already. So that's another difference between limit order type and market order type. For market order type, you have your Solana in your wallet immediately, but for limit order type, you have to wait for the trade to be executed before you can have your Solana in your wallet. I hope you get the difference. So let me go back to the spot trading page. Now, another thing we notice here is that you have a pending trade, that is a pending order. Now, this pending order is the take profit and stop loss orders that we have. Remember that I said any trade you have under these orders means that it has not been executed. So this right here is our take profit and stop loss which have not been executed, not the trade itself. The trade has been executed. That is why you have Solana in your wallet right here. The trade has been executed. But what you have right here in this open order is your take profit and your stop loss. Remember we said take profit and stop loss. If it's that we did not say take profit and stop loss, there will be nothing under this open order. I hope you are getting it. But since we said take profit and stop loss which have not been executed yet, it will be right here. So once you get to the take profit, this open order will be executed, or once you get to the stop loss, this open order will be executed. I hope you get it. So that is how you can use limit or market order type to buy crypto on the spot trading page on Bitget. Now, how do you now sell your crypto? But before I show you how to sell your crypto, how exactly will you know whether you made profit or loss? Now, the first way you can know whether you made profit or loss is when this trade hits your take profit. Remember we said take profit to $175. This is our take profit right here. Now, once the price of Solana gets to $175, this means that we'll make 20% profit. So that is one way to know. That's if you set your take profit. But what if you didn't set your take profit? How do you know whether you've made profit or not? So you go to your asset page. So you click on assets right here. And on your spot wallet, you will see the amount of Solana you have. So you can see my Solana right here is worth 40 USD. So you can see it right here, that's $40. And then it will show you your break-even price. Break-even price means that the price at which you bought the crypto. So the price at which you entered the trade, which is $146.57. Now, how do you know whether you've made profit or not? The second way is that the price of the coin will move up. Now, if the price of this Solana moves up to like $147, $148, $150, $160, then you know you've made profit. In as much as the current price is higher than the price at which you entered the trade, then you are a profit. It is only when the price is lower than the price at which you entered the trade that you will be in a loss. I hope you get it. And the third way is that if the price of Solana goes up, the value of your Solana will definitely go up too. So this $40 will be increased to whatever profit you've made, maybe $50, $60, and so on like that. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that is how you can know whether you've made profit or loss. So now that you understand that, let me show you how you can sell your crypto. Now let's assume that maybe you've made profit, maybe your $40 has grown to, let's say, $60 and you want to sell it, you are okay with the profit. The first thing you want to do is to select sell right here. So you see where you have sell, select it. And then you come right here to where you have this order type. So you can see you have limit order type and you have market order type. Now you are picking limit order type. It allows you to set the price at which you want to sell it. I hope you get it. But market order type, it means you want to sell it right now. So if I pick limit order type right here, I'll need to come here to where you have this space and enter the price at which I want to sell. So let's, for example, I want to sell it at, let's say, $148. Let's put it right there. $148, and then you come here and enter the amount of Solana you want to sell. Now, before I enter the amount of Solana I want to sell, let us cancel this take profit and stop loss since we don't need it. So I'll just click on cancel right here and it'll be cancelled immediately. So let's come back to this. So to enter the amount of Solana I want to sell, if that you want to sell everything in your wallet, move this slider to 100%. So once you move it to 100%, it means you want to sell everything in your wallet. And you'll be seeing the amount you'll be getting. So I'll be getting $40.33. That's the amount I'll be getting. So once you're okay with that, just click on sell Solana. And then right here, you see the summary of everything you've entered. Make sure everything is correct. And then you click on confirm. So you'll be seeing your trade under open order right here again because it is limit order. Remember, it is limit order and we have not sold it. It will only be sold when the price of Solana gets to $148. So if you want to confirm that, just go to your asset page. You see that you still have your Solana intact in your spot wallet. That's it. So for limit order type, it won't sell until it gets to that preferred price. So let me cancel it and let me use market order. Now for market order, you just change this limit. I'll click on it and then I pick on market. And then don't forget, the only thing you're entering is the amount of Solana you want to sell. So if you want to sell everything again, move this slider to 100%. And then right here, you click on sell Solana. I can see successful and you can see there's no trade under open order right here. Just like that, you sold your Solana. So if you want to confirm it, go to your asset page. And you see that you don't have any Solana again right here. You only have your Solana right here is just worth 0 USD. And you have your USDT back in your wallet. So that's exactly how you can buy and sell crypto through spot trading on the Bitget app. Now, one more thing I want to show you is where you have your chart. Now, if you click on where you have these candlesticks right here, these two candlesticks, I'll click on it. Now, right here is where you can see the chart on the Bitget app. And you can see this side where the arrow is pointing to. This is where you can see like 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, 24-hour turnover. What's the meaning of this? 24-hour high means that's the highest price that crypto has gotten to in the last 24 hours. So that means that the last 24 hours, the highest price Solana has gotten to is $150. And 24H low means the lowest price that crypto has gotten to in the last 24 hours. And for Solana, that's $144. And then for 24-hour volume Solana, that's the amount of Solana that has been traded in this market in the last 24 hours. And then in USDT, that's 97.77 million USDT. I hope you get it. So you can see all of this information right here. And this is where you can select time frame. So you can select 1 minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, and so on like that. And if you scroll up, you see where you can select your technical indicators. So you have ME, you have EME, you have Bollinger Band, SAR, and so on. And in case you want to learn how to use some of these indicators, I have videos on them. I have them in a playlist. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. And then if you keep scrolling up, you see where you have your order book. So your order book right here is showing you people who are currently trading in the market or different trades that are currently going on in this market. The figures showing on the left side, which is green in color, is showing you people who are currently buying, and the one in red color on the right side is showing you people who are currently selling. So you can see all of these things right here. Now, in case you want to learn how to make money with futures trading or how to make money with trading bots on the Bitget app, I have videos on them that can guide you on how to make money with futures trading and trading bots. The links to those videos will be in the description below. Don't forget, if you have not created your account on Bitget, use the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.